Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to get unlimited amount of spins and coins straight to your CoinMaster account. You will not need to download anything else than this game you have. So make sure you watch the full tutorial. I'll show you step by step how to do it, how to hack the game. As I said, you will not need to download anything, and as well you will not need to have a rooted or jailbroken device. You do not need to have that. So make sure you watch the full video. The first thing that you have to do is grab your smartphone, grab your tablet, and open a browser and type coinmaster.whitegenerator.com. It's coinmaster.whitegenerator.com. Go to this website and you will end up on a CoinMaster cheat that is hosted on this website. You will not need to download it, as I said before, and as you can see, it's a secure one. It says secure connection and it's a verified website. So what you have to do here is just enter your username, or you can also enter your Google Play or Apple Store email, but I'm just going to enter my username. And after that is done, select what device you are playing on. It is either Android for Samsung, Huawei phones, and iOS for iPhones, iPads, just Apple phones in general. And PC, I don't know who plays on computer. I don't know how you can play that, but I'm just going to click Android and click proceed. And I'm going to show you how to use this hack. I know it works because I use it on my account and on my brother's. So what you have to do here is just select the amount of coins and spins you want. It's pretty simple. Just click this big plus button till you can't anymore. So just select the maximum amount of resources because you'll never get banned for using this hack. So always go for the maximum and then click next. And what will happen now is the CoinMaster hack will start adding coins, start adding spins to my account. As you can see, it has added the coins right now, and now it is adding spins. Sorry about that. And what you have to do here is just verify you're a human. I'll show you how to pass the human verification test. This website uses the anti-bot protection just to make sure that the resources are being added to real accounts and not fake accounts that are being sold on eBay and stuff like that. So if you're a real player, if you're a real human, you'll have zero trouble passing this human verification test. I'm just going to read what it says. It says, human verification, you are almost done. Click on the verify now button below to complete a human verification. After successful verification, you will receive resources instantly. So just click verify now, and I'll show you what you have to do here. It is very simple, very easy. So you will end up on a human verification test. It says complete the human verification by downloading 2 free apps from the list below and running them for 30 seconds. Once you have completed human verification correctly, you'll receive your coins and spins instantly. So you just have to complete 2 offers, and it's very easy since every offer here is free. I'm going to show you how to do it. My recommendation for you is just look for apps that are easy to install and complete, like this one. If you see the instructions say download, install, and run this app for 30 seconds. So imagine you can download this app from Google Play, from Apple Store securely, and you can complete this offer in a minute. Looney Tunes is just a game by, I think it's Disney or Walter, I think company. You can download, play this game till level 5, and you can do the human verification like 2 minutes. So it's very easy, and after you complete the human verification, don't skip this part, it's very important. This is the last step. After you have completed it, you receive the resources immediately added to your account. So as I said, it's absolutely for free to use this hack. I'm going to show you what the website link is again. It's coinmaster.whitegenerator.com. Thank you guys for watching. Before you leave this website, before you leave this video to go to this website, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Leave a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.